Welcome back to Reaching Freedom. This is Mitch, and want to take a moment to just talk about the Points West Armory Resort. Here at Augusta or Appling, Georgia, which is outside west of Augusta, Georgia, and this is the MWR Fam Camp. It's the Points West Armory Resort, which is attached to the Fort Gordon, Fort Eisenhower MWR. It's a great place to stay, and the cost is only $35 a night. And one of the things that's so great is you are on a huge lake that looks as much as possible like you're on the ocean. It is just huge. It's just huge. So many different fingers that jet out into the water, and it's a great place for military service members to come visit and retirees. I know most of the people that we've been around the place where we have our site, which is right overlooking the water. The people that are around us have been talking about their military career, what they did, and everything. It's been a great time that we spent at this fam camp. So if you have a chance to come to Georgia and you're retired military and you're pulling one of those RVs just going to see the country, this is one stop that may be worth your while to make. This is a very beautiful area, very nice campsite, and just follow me as we show some of the beautiful areas, the different parts of this campsite. Nice campsite, and if you're military and you actually have retired military, active duty, reserve, veterans, and you have access to the base, this would be one outstanding place to visit. And I can just show you what it looks like in the morning when we wake up and we step out of our place in the morning. One of the areas that is nice at the bases also is they have a pavilion that can be rented out, and many of the people that we ran across in this area, this is the area that they said that they got married. It's a nice area. It's right on the water also. Nice pavilion. Yeah, we don't have access to the inside of this pavilion, but we're going to go around the back and just check it out. It's nice, and this is on the water. So military people that are stationed at Fort Gordon or Fort Eisenhower, whatever it's called these days, this is one area that I just love. This is on a lake. Again, this is Clark's Hill Lake, and this lake is huge. Reminds me of being back home in Maryland and having all of the access to the oceans. The back. Now this is the back of the pavilion. The back area. Can be used for many venues. I say one thing that many of the guys that over by where we are, they do a lot of fishing, and every time these boats that are in the background that's on the water comes through, they get so mad because apparently when the boat is on the water like that, it disturbs the fish, and they really got upset at that. But again, this is a lake in Georgia, Clark Hills Lake, and it's nice. It's nice place. And this is what the military can actually get as part of one of the benefits and just enjoy themselves. And there's a bridge over there that leads to the other side of town. But
let me put my shoe back on.
It gets pretty deep here. Looks like it gets pretty deep here. Great place to visit if you have a chance to come out to the lake here at Clark Hills Lake, the Points West Army Resort out of Augusta, Georgia, north of Augusta, Georgia, and Appling, Georgia. I guess this is called, it's connected to the Fort Gordon or Fort Eisenhower military base, whichever name they're using these days. But this is a great place, and we have a good time that we're going to spend here, a good week or so before we head out to our next site. Great place to visit.